back to San Juan Studios.
We are your hosts, Zaria and Bashar.
Today we're going to be talking about some drones, starting off with the Skydio 2. The Skydio 2 is the drone so smart it can fly itself. It has artificial intelligence and 6 cameras, which makes it able to avoid obstacles automatically. And it will follow you just by touching an app on your phone, so that way you don't even have to pilot it. The next drone we have is the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom.
At DJI, true innovation is seeing the bigger picture. Every iteration is the culmination of all that we do to bring you the very best. Here's everything you've been waiting for and beyond. This is Mavic 2. The aircraft comes in 2 new editions, Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. Both cameras utilize DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation.
The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom has amazing camera quality. It has zooming features so you can see things up and close. If you want to take a good picture of a drone, this is the drone to do it. The last drone we have is the DJI FPZ, which is the first-person view drone, which allows you to see the drone through goggles and see from a first-person perspective.
For as long as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We have spent more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now, we're going one step beyond with an immersive experience unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device.
The DJI FPV is the drone you want to use if you want to get a real immersive experience. It allows you to see the drone through your own eyes and have a first-person perspective of it, which makes it a lot easier to fly and control. If you really like immersion with your drones, this is the one to do it.
That's a wrap for San Juan Studios today. Thank you for tuning in. See you here next time.